one more myth broken. It's not the Mysore masala dosa. It should be called the Mailari dosa.
Ever since, yes, offering 50 crores for each MLA.
Madam, early morning you are making me have herb. All my blood will get better. You are not worried BJP will swallow you up?
We are not going to give any scope for any party to swallow our party.
Siddaramaiah guarantee better, Modi guarantee better.
100% Modi ಬೇಕು.
In effect, you are fighting in the name of Prime Minister Modi.
That is true as well.
No fight here though. I'm going to enjoy the food. Hello and welcome to Elections on My Plate, where our travels have brought us to the charming city of Mysore, the city of palaces redolent with culture in the heart of southern Karnataka. Few parts of the country will be as competitive in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections as this part of India. In the 2019 Lok Sabha, the BJP had swept the old Mysore region. But in the 2023 Vidhan Sabha, it was the Congress that moved ahead. And then there is the third force, the Vocaliga-dominated JDS, which this time is supporting the BJP. Shifting alliances, strong caste alignments. Which way southern Karnataka votes could well decide a battle within a battle of Karnataka. Join me on Elections on My Plate. Now, Mysore is seen as one of the most livable parts of the country. Clean air, wide streets and greenery making it the ideal place for an early morning walk. Come with me. Namaskar, how are you? Namaskara. What's going to happen in the elections this time? This Okay, now in this same part of the country, in the 2023 Vidhan Sabha, the Congress had won. Before that, in 2019 Lok Sabha, the BJP won. So does Mysore shift depending on Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha?
Different. Vidhan Sabha is different and Lok Sabha will be all.
Vidhan Sabha different, Lok Sabha different. So,
It's going to be the center that's going to be unfolding the drama here.
but is that in urban Karnataka and rural Karnataka is different? Because in rural Karnataka, there's the guarantee issue and Mr. Siddaramaiah's guarantees.
Absolutely. But no, I think
So there's a rural-urban divide also.
there is going to be a rural-urban divide. But given that the Janata Dal is pairing up with BJP, there's going to be a definite advantage.
For central government, Modi, and state government,
want to stay
huh.
comfortably, you have to elect Modi.
And what about in Bengaluru then?
BJP was internal problem was there. That's why Siddaramaiah came. Otherwise, Siddaramaiah would not have come.
Mysore is a place of kings. So the king for this time in this MP election will be Sri Kantadatta Yaduvir Wadayar.
Remember, this time the erstwhile royal family heir, Yaduvir Vodiyar, is contesting from Mysore. So that excites you, is it?
Yeah, definitely.
But the kings have gone. The kings have gone a long time ago.
When it comes to kings, no elected political body have done the work what the kings have done in Mysore.
नहीं मुझे ये बताइए यहाँ तो मैं देखता हूँ एक पॉलिटिशियन दूसरे पार्टी में there is lot of defection. There are no loyalties. Money seems to talk more than anything else. Yes, correct? Yes.
इवनिंग में कांग्रेस में, सुबह बीजेपी में, सुबह बीजेपी में, शाम को कांग्रेस में.
तो सब पैसे का खेल है.
Compared to North, here money plays more because all politicians are very rich.
All politicians are very rich.
And people just they want to.
How do they make their money?
The real estate booming. Karnataka is booming. That's why.
You're an RCB supporter? They never win it. They never win the IPL.
hoping and praying one day they will.
One day.
They are going to be.
You and I will become an old man by then. What's the best thing about living in Mysore?
Wide roads.
With a small amount, we will enjoy the all type of foods.
You like food? Which is your best food in Mysore?
Mysore dosa, idli, Mysore pak.
Acha, Mysore Pak. Yes, okay. Thank you. How are you, sir?
Oh, fine, sir. Thank you.
What's going to happen in the election this time?
Oh, definitely. It's going to happen what everybody is expecting.
Which is
Modi government will.
Modi government.
Yes.
Compared to TV, you look so young, sir.
I look young.
Yeah, because in TV, I don't know, you are in a tension. No,
TV, I'm in tension.
Yeah. Whereas you look so young.
I'm looking young.
I know you are a very good player when there was not your father.
Nah,
was a-
my father was a player.
Yeah,
I am not.
Congress will win.
Congress will win Mysore this time. How? Why?
The Siddaramaia's guarantees will work.
Are you getting any benefit from guarantee?
No, I am not getting. But
So only
People
BPL,
are- so
only
many
B,
people-
only
so many
BPL families are getting. Poorer families are
our
getting.
families are getting.
Tell me one thing. What is the best thing about Mysore?
This is pensioner's paradise.
Pensioners paradise. Okay, thank you. If you want to retire, retire in Mysore. Okay, thank you.
I spoke to somebody from Mysuru. He says for national election, BJP. For local election, Congress.
For
I said,
national election BJP, local election Congress.
and why? He said, वो खाते हैं और खाने देते हैं.
वो खाते हैं और खाने देते हैं.
For local.
For local. I'm still fit, यार. Almost 60. Not bad, huh? Tiger, तुमको थोड़ा पेट कम करना है. Madam, namaskara. Namaskara. What do you have? क्या है?
Herbs, vegetables and green leaf juices, sir.
Herbs, vegetables, and green leaf juices.
Yeah.
You want me to stay healthy?
Yeah.
Might as well stay healthy once in my life.
Thank you.
He is qualified in CFTRI.
Are lovely. Madam, thank you. Okay, healthy herb juice. You put pumpkin, neem,
Brahmi,
brahmi,
Ashwagandha,
ashwagandha.
Jeshta Madhu, Amrataballi.
All of this is in
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
All my
And after this,
all my sins will go. All my blood will get better. See, I'm trying to live a healthy life. Problem is either in life you can be wealthy or healthy. I am neither at the moment. Thank you, madam. Straight out of KGF. You are the villain or hero in KGF?
Villain, sir.
Villain?
Katappa.
Katappa! Katappa is here. Very good. I want to be the hero in the film. I want KGF contract. Time for the dosa. You are in the land of the masala dosa. We're here in the land of the Mailari dosa. Can't come to Mysore and not have a Mailari dosa. Hi guys, how are you all? Vikram, how are you? Krishna, good to see you. Naga, good to see you. Okay, I've got three good friends here. Vikram Mutana is the managing director of Star of Mysore, the leading newspaper in Mysore. Krishna Prasad, old friend, senior journalist, good to see you. And he's worn the appropriate t-shirt, WhatsApp University, where facts are not facts. Okay, so he knows which show he's on. And Nagarjun is our head of Karnataka Bureau at India Today. Thank you all very much for... We are squeezing in because this is an old style restaurant, those small tables.
Mailari dosa is the metaphor for a Mysorean. It's soft, it's understated, it's not shouting, it's unostentatious, and like many things in Mysore, it gets the work done. It's a lot like your cricketers and IT chiefs from Mysore, maybe your musicians and artists, and maybe some journalists also.
Okay, this is the dosa that's about to come in, and look at that butter that's coming in. My God. The butter makes it extra special, huh, Raja?
The butter is special, and also what you hear across India, the Mysore masala dosa. In Mysore, it's Mailari dosa.
Okay, so it's, please, one more myth broken. It's not the Mysore masala dosa, it should be called the Mailari dosa. Okay, the authenticity comes from the butter right around
The
it.
butter as well as the tawa that they fry pour the batter on.
And lots of coconut chutney.
Yes, coconut and garlic.
Coconut and garlic
For
chutney.
all the herb juice you had, now you're compensating with a lot of butter and ghee.
I'm going to slowly eat my Mysore dosa, but I want to understand politics from you all. Am I right in saying that the 2024 elections are likely to be more competitive in this region compared to 2019?
I think the state government changing has changed, and the selection of candidates also has changed. And I think the selection of candidates has made a huge difference in these parts, and in fact, whole of Karnataka.
BJP has chosen a lot of new faces.
New faces, but not necessarily bankable faces as such.
Krishna, what's your sense? More competitive?
What's changed is the party in power. More importantly, I think you have a chief minister who comes from this part of the state. That Siddaramaiah is camping virtually 2 or 3 days every week in Mysore district, in Mysore, which is his hometown. And so what you have is a huge investment of political capital by the chief minister. You have a Congress party which is in power. Plus, I think there's an internal BJP factor which is playing out. You know, this whole Yediyurappa versus BL Santosh Singh, which has really seen the change of candidates in a number of constituencies.
You're saying this, but as we saw this morning, Nagarjun, when I was walking in the park by the lake, there is a overwhelming Modi factor as well, particularly in a Lok Sabha election. Do you get a sense, therefore, that it's the Modi factor which could still play a major role because it's Lok Sabha? Siddaramaiah is much more a state leader.
Modi is very popular in urban centers. The more rural you go, and also the more poor you speak to, they would support the Congress government. At least in the Lok Sabha, at least in the assembly election that we saw in 2023. Urban sectors still supported BJP, even in the assembly elections. But Siddaramaiah, again, like I said, he's a mass leader here and a big rural leader also.
So basically, Modi is like the strong coffee when it comes to Delhi, and Siddaramaiah is the strong coffee when it comes to Mysuru.
Don't judge the coffee before you drink it.
Okay. We've seen in Karnataka, in the last almost 2 decades, voters vote very differently in Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. And that suggests that they want a very different kind of mandate for Delhi compared to Bengaluru.
I don't know if they really want that, but it's how it's played out. But this time, I think going forward, I think BJP is not going to do as well as they did last time. I think they would come and stand somewhere around 16, 17. That'll be a good number for them.
So there will be still more than the Congress.
There still be more than the Congress.
The BJP will still be more than the Congress, you're suggesting?
Yes, I am. But even the places where they're going to win, it's going to be very, very, very tight. And for that reason, I think Ahinda votes have consolidated. There's a lot of internal issues that are happening within the BJP. There's a lot of caste-wise vote splitting that's happening within the BJP itself.
The Ahinda factor for our viewers is Siddaramaiah's attempt to carve out a sort of backward caste, Muslim, Dalit, Adivasi base for himself. Karnataka is going to be a fascinating election. Ram Mandir makes a difference to Kannadigas?
I don't think so at all.
You don't think so?
I don't think so. You know, I think more than all the factors that you listed, I think the fact that the BJP is investing so much into the south of the country, you know, tells you that they expect a few diminishing returns from here. You know, the fact that they're going into Tamil Nadu, the way in which they're going to Kerala somewhere, you know, it tells you that they sense themselves that it might not be a cakewalk.
I think this election also, I think the guarantees have played a role. Because
so
there is also
have worked among the poor and women in particular?
Yes, for sure. And of course, women voters are more in Mysore Kodagu constituency. There are almost 50,000 more women voters than male voters.
So the scheme for women is 2,000 rupees to women in every household, which could become a game changer possibly like it was in states like Madhya Pradesh.
Rajdeep, just to give some data, Mysore might have some 17 to 18 lakh voters.
Right.
Yeah, we have 19 lakh this
19
time.
Lakh voters. 6 lakh women are getting the 2,000 rupee benefits. That's almost 40% or 30% of your population in the district and parliament constituency are getting the benefits of 2,000 rupees.
The Griha Lakshmi scheme.
Griha Lakshmi. The question is, will it convert into votes? That's the big question.
Talking of Manipur, we're going to now go and meet our first politician on the show, the adopted heir of the royal family of Mysore, making his debut in this election. You're going to meet Yaduvir Bodia. Let's go. We are here with Yaduvir Bodia, one of the many new young faces given a ticket by the BJP this time in Karnataka. They're candidate from Mysuru. First time candidate. What's more difficult, being a prince of a royal family or being a neta reaching out to the common man?
Well, we've said many times those titles or vestiges are of another era. We gave them up a long time ago, and we've been common citizens ever since.
But people still see you as Maharaj when I speak to them.
Well, the wonderful work that my ancestors did has led to a bond between the people and the palace. That remains so, obviously, because those works have been present forever and are there to stay.
But many are saying you're a lateral entrant, that you've just entered politics. A two-time MP, Pratap Simha, has been replaced, that Yaduvir has parachuted into politics. How do you respond?
Well, I've been in semi-public life for the last 9 years, obviously from a personal capacity in work with a lot of social institutions in Mysore and those that are from the palace itself. The previous MP, I have said many times, has done wonderful work, and we will take those forward as well. But Mysore Kodagu, I think, needs an organic development. Both spheres give a lot of importance to their culture, to their heritage, and to nature, especially in Kodagu.
Are you worried that you will be seen as a bit of a novice in politics, that you still have to prove yourself?
No, certainly not. I'm used to swimming at the deep end, and I intend to learn fast, even if I am a new entrant.
I was listening to your speech, and you keep saying Viksit Bharat. Look at what Modi has done. Are you appealing for votes in the name of Modi or name of Yaduvir Vodiyar?
Both are true. Certainly the Prime Minister's work speaks for itself, and I need not say much more about it. And my own capacity as being a bridge between the centre and this constituency, in effect to his vision and an extension of that, is what I intend to work in.
The BJP in Mysore this time is relying on the JDS. Next to me is the MLA from the local constituency, who's JDS, who fought and defeated the BJP here just a year ago. I mean, is this relationship really going to work? JDS and BJP, you all were fighting each other 12 months ago?
Both parties have learnt that if we weren't fighting 12 months ago, the outcome of the local elections would have been very different. And we both understand that at the centre we need the Prime Minister in order to maintain the development works that he has done and to maintain all the good work that he has done and take forward this vision of Viksit Bharat.
Your Shrikant Datta Vodiyar, your late father, was a Congress candidate, won 4 times as a Congress MP, lost once on a BJP ticket. I thought that the Vodiyars were supposedly a Congress family.
No, not necessarily true. We are true to our own ideology and our own beliefs, and those are most in line with the BJP as it is currently formed.
How do you respond to those who say you are a dynast? That you are there because you are Shrikant Vodiyar's son. That's the reason why you're in politics. The BJP says it's against dynasty, but then chooses you as their candidate and replaces a 2-time MP.
We can't change the place that we are born in or the house that we belong to. We intend to do good work, and people are, very knowledgeable and will judge us on our aptitude and our capacity for the job. Yes, dynasty, all these things are what the party has said they are against, but they are against it when one house is controlling the entire party, not when the aspirant for the post of the MP is a person who is certainly capable of holding that post.
Okay, you've got a strong Congress candidate on the other side, plus you've got Mr. Siddaramaiah, who comes from this region. Ready to take them on?
Certainly we welcome the fight, and so far it's been very cordial from both sides, and I think that's a good development. We want to talk on our personal aptitude and our personal ability and our vision for this area, and I think people should judge us on that.
Wish you well, Yaduvir, as you go across the roads of Mysore seeking votes. Interesting. That's what democracy does. It makes everyone hit the street, whether you're a prince or, dare I say, a commoner. But I think a lot of ladies want to greet you, so I'm going to allow you to go ahead with your road rally. But thank you very much for joining me. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Mysore Pak time. Can't come to Mysore and not have Mysore Pak. Namaskara, Shivanandji. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Good to see you. Arey, wow. How many varieties of Mysore Pak you keep?
हमारा पास 4 वैरायटी है।
4 वैरायटी है।
बाजू का दुकान ये सेम है। हम वो 5th जनरेशन 4th जनरेशन।
तो आपने कब शुरू किया?
वो 90 year old साहब सर।
90 year old. 90 years you are giving Mysore pak. What according to you is the best thing about Mysore pak?
Mysore pak is made of ghee sir.
Made of ghee.
Ghee, only made of ghee.
My cholesterol will go up. Not.
क्या भी होता नहीं साहब।
मेरा father बहुत पसंद करता था. These are your varieties.
Yes.
And I'm going to try them one by one. Lots of ghee. This one more milky. And this is Badam Mysore pak. Until now I've been having Mysore pak in the TV studios. Now I'm finally having it in Mysore. I'm going to take it also for the politicians. Some of them like it. That's another story. Let's go. Now, while the BJP is relying on new faces and alliances in this election in Karnataka and the Lok Sabha, the Congress is banking on its tried and trusted leaders, and none bigger than Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. He's addressing a rally here in the Mysuru region, a region where he started his political career way back in 1978 as a taluka leader. Can Mr. Siddaramaiah do in 2024 what he did in 2023 Vidhan Sabha and actually lift the Congress in this battle for Karnataka? Let's go and meet Siddaramaiah. Namaskara, sir.
Namaskar.
How are you? Very well, sir. You're on a big campaign trail again.
Yes.
I met you 1 year ago. You were also then on a campaign trail. Was that an easier election, Vidhan Sabha, compared to Lok Sabha? Now you have to fight the Modi factor.
See, Modi factor is there. I don't say that there is no Modi factor. But it was not as it was earlier. In the last Lok Sabha election, Modi factor was a big factor at that time. Now, it is not a big factor.
It's not a big factor. So, what is the major factor according to you in this Karnataka election? What is it? Because last time, sir, BJP won 25 out of 28 seats, Congress only won 1. What is the difference?
The difference is we got 43% of the votes in the last assembly election. This time also we are going to retain that percentage. I don't think there is much evaporation in this percentage of votes. It's because we have done good work in 10 months and there is no scandals on our government.
So you are relying on your guarantees. You are claiming that the guarantees that you have given the people, which included free electricity, which included 2,000 rupees to women, stipends for young, you are claiming free bus rides.
All those guarantees are implemented in toto.
Sir, but it has cost you more than 50,000 crores. Development work has stopped because the BJP is saying these guarantees are freebies.
That is a false allegation made by BJP people.
Sir, since the 2023 election, one thing more has changed. Your old friend Devagowda ji and H.D. Kumaraswamy have gone and joined hands with BJP. Now in South Karnataka, they will have the advantage of the alliance. The Vokaliga vote will go to them and they will have arithmetic advantage.
That means to say they are afraid of defeat. BJP. Otherwise, why is going to have alliance with JDS? Or in other words, why JDS is going to have alliance with BJP? If they are so strong, if BJP is so strong in Karnataka, BJP should not have alliance with the JDS because all along JDS opposed BJP.
But sir, arithmetically it will be a very strong alliance in South Karnataka. JDS vote plus BJP vote will be more than 50%.
Not at all. See, we are going to get more votes from JDS.
JDS voters will vote for Congress, you are saying this time.
Yeah.
Sir, last time BJP, as I said, won 25 out of 28, you won only 1. Now you tell me how much you will win this time. I want an honest answer.
Minimum 15 to 20.
Minimum 15 to 20. You are talking of a double-digit swing in favor of the Congress in Karnataka.
Not swinging. It's already voters have come to Congress party.
So you said at the outset there is no scandal. You are implementing your guarantees. BJP says corruption has started in Siddaramaia's government. There is Commission Raj in this government as well. They also want to become an ATM of the Congress.
Who called 40% government?
That was Bomai's government. Now it is your government which is making
your government. See, let them produce the documents. See, there is a commission constituted by looking to the 40% commission. Let them give whatever documents they have.
Let me ask you in conclusion, sir. Is this your final battle? The reason I ask you is there are Devagowda and others are saying if Congress loses this election, this government will fall. Siddaramaia's government will fall.
The government will fall.
Because there could be defections.
No.
People could leave. Remember, after 2019, your government fell.
They are trying.
They're
They
trying.
are trying. Already they are trying.
You are making a serious allegation
Ever since, yes, I am making this allegation.
that they are trying to bring down your government.
Yes.
Even now.
By offering 50 crores for each MLA.
Mr. Siddaramaiah, final question. What keeps you going? You are looking more and more active, traveling across in this heat.
I am from a village.
You're what, 78 now?
77.
77? You're from a village.
I am from a village. I eat every day ragi ball.
You eat every day ragi ball. In fact, I want to tell you that the Chief Minister has told us he's going to show us how to eat a ragi ball. You're going to teach us how to eat it. And what is the secret?
You learn it or not, it's a question to me.
Okay, whether I learn it or not, he's going to teach me. So we have more food for thought coming up when we have lunch with the Chief Minister. But as always, it's good to talk to someone who's so open and candid and willing to give lunch also to journalists. See how the Chief Minister makes it, how he makes the ragi.
So you should
Make it like a ball and then put the curry inside. I will learn it one day, sir.
follow it.
Swallow the ragi mudde. Mutton curry, chicken curry and ragi mudde. Your lunch is done in South Karnataka. Very healthy. Made of millet. Remember that. If you are having a meal in South Karnataka, in Mysore, you have to end your meal with this banana. Now this is not an ordinary banana. This is a G certificated banana. The Nanjangud Rasapade, which is their special banana only grown in this part of the country and the best banana you will get in the world. CM Saab, this is your best banana.
Best banana.
Healthy.
Healthy also.
Healthy also. Now, one of the X factors in this battle for Karnataka is the battle for guarantees. Modi ki guarantee versus Siddaramaiah ki guarantee. Remember, the Karnataka government has given a slew of cash benefits, especially to women voters. 2,000 rupees per woman in a household, in poor families, and free bus rides for women. The women voters are a key in every election, but more so this time in Karnataka. So we thought we'd go and meet some of them at this bus stop in Chikbellapur near Bengaluru. My colleague Nagarjun is going to join me. Come with me. Namaskara. Free bus ride?
ಹೌದು
ಫ್ರೀ ಬಸ್ ರೈಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ?
ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
She's very happy that she's getting a free bus ride.
ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದೆ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯರಿಗೆ.
It can't be not good. It is very good because it's free.
But will they vote on the basis of that?
ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ವೋಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಈ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ನಾವು ಹಾಕೋದ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನಿಗೆ.
I only vote for Siddaramaiah.
ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ.
Modi or Siddaramaiah?
ಮೋದಿ ಜಿ ಸರ್.
Modi ji. Why?
ಗುಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್.
Good person. Modi ji, good person.
ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗುಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಫ್ರೀ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏಜ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು.
ಮೋದಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ದೇಶ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಜನಕ್ಕೂ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay, so you are dono haath mein laddu. Benefits from Siddaramaiah and Modi and safety from Modi. Siddaramaiah guarantee better, Modi guarantee better. Modi guarantee.
ಮೋದಿ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ.
Modi guarantee.
100% ಮೋದಿ ಬೇಕು.
The bus is dominated by women. This is what, in a way, women's empowerment can be achieved through free bus rides.
ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಪಕ್ಕ.
Narendra Modi guarantee pakka. Siddaramaiah?
ಎರಡೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Kumaraswamy. A Kumaraswamy supporter right at the back.
ಬಡವ್ರ ಪಕ್ಷ.
ಕುಮಾರಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Kumaraswamy. Okay, JDS still around, but remember JDS is in alliance with the BJP in this election.
₹1,000 ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆರಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಡವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ. ಬಡವ್ರ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Modi ki guarantee or Siddaramaiah guarantee?
ಮೋದಿ.
Modi? Why?
ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
Development. What development?
ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
No development?
ನೋ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ.
No development in Narendra Modi.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮನಿ ತರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಅವನ್ ಏನ್ ತರಿಸ್ತಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ?
ರೇಟ್ಗಳು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗಗನಕ್ಕೆ ಏರ್ತಾ ಐತೆ. ಕೂಡ 2,000 ಯಾವ ಮೂಲಕ ಆತ.
1,000 not enough. Okay, she wants more. Ye dil mange more. Everybody wants more. The other key X factor in this election in Karnataka is the newly forged BJP-JDS alliance. Adversaries only 12 months ago, they've come together, and arithmetically, the JDS's vote could ensure victory for many of their candidates, especially in southern Karnataka. But politics is not just about arithmetic, it's also about chemistry. Will the chemistry between the two sides work? Let's go and meet the leaders of the JDS and the BJP. Come with me. Namaskara, sir. I remember meeting you 1 year ago here itself. That time you were fighting against BJP and Congress. Today you have tied up with BJP. What does this mean? You are being opportunist. You want to tie up with BJP to keep JDS alive.
It is not a opportunistic politics. Several times, several decisions made by several parties, even leaders. Because after the assembly election, both the parties realized in the assembly election, BJP also seriously taken that election. They fight against us also. After the election result, BJP senior leaders also realized here to fight against Congress, it is required that both the parties come together. For that reason only, people also feel like that.
Sir, but they called you corrupt that time. They said father and son party. They made all kinds of allegations.
No, several times, brother. This kind of allegations in politics is common. You see.
So what is the basis for this alliance?
No, this alliance is not to get some personal benefit. My aim is several problems you are facing. even several issues in front of central government. From last 40 years, that problems up till now they have not settled. We join hand with BJP to solve the problems which we are facing from last 40 years. Because our party is small party. We can't come power on our own. If we join hand with BJP, I think entire country move.
So you are not worried BJP will swallow you up?
No, they can't swallow us. Our strength is
JDS will remain.
It will be remain. We are not going to give any scope for any party to swallow our party.
So you are not doing this under compulsion, under pressure?
No pressure. With confidence from both the parties, mutual understanding, we come to an alliance. Here, this alliance actually, in 2006, we already had an experience with Yadurappa ji.
Sir, but you have tied up with Congress in 2018, now with BJP. You are going in any direction whenever you get power.
That was the mistake.
That was a mistake.
That was the mistake. At that time also, Narendra Modi ji, he personally called me. Then he advised me 1.5 hours. You are doing good work, but because of Congress hurdles, you are not getting any good name. I know your work.
So Congress is your main enemy now.
There is no undisputed. Congress are the enemies. Not only enemies, they wanted to finish our party in this Karnataka.
I have got Vijendra ji also, the BJP state president. Nice to see you, Vijendra ji. You tell me, this alliance, people are saying, you were attacking Kumaraswamy's party only 1 year ago, calling them corrupt, saying father and son party. Now you have joined hands.
See, the question is, today our former Prime Minister Devegowda ji, his stand is pretty clear. Looking at Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's government in last 10 years, the way Modi ji has delivered in the interest of the nation, even Devegowda ji wants Narendra Modi ji as the Prime Minister for one more term. Hence, Bharatiya Janata Party and JDS Party, both we have come together here in Karnataka.
So you have forgotten all local issues. You want Modi ji in Delhi.
Nation first.
Nation first, you are saying. So you have forgotten all allegations you have made of the past.
Forget allegation. Our priority is BJP should come back to power at the center under the dynamic leadership of Modi ji. So forgotten all our past differences, we have come together.
It also shows that you need JDS to win elections. You cannot win on your own.
It's a win-win situation for both JDS as well as BJP. There's no harm in doing it.
So orange and green are good color mix, sir. Yes. Orange and green are your new mix. First it used to be only green. Now you are very green and little bit of orange.
These both color. Now people are attracting towards this both color.
Double color.
Yeah.
Now you are into double color. Earlier it was only green and white. Now you have added orange to it.
Yes, almost all Indian flag is actually we are wearing.
And who is driving the alliance? Vijendra ji or you? Who is the driver? And who is in the back seat?
It's Modi ji.
Modi ji.
Power of Modi ji is driving both BJP and JDS.
Okay. Power of Modi ji is driving your alliance. Okay, we've been crisscrossing the state amidst rising temperatures. I need a break. A ganne ka break. Sugarcane juice break. And while I have my sugarcane, you take a break too. When we return, we'll travel to Bengaluru. You're watching Elections on My Plate. Ah, the joy of India. Sugarcane juice. Enjoy.